Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we're going to be making this beautiful ratatouille, which is a colorful mixture of vegetables in like a little sauce, and you can eat it alone or you can eat it with something else. Let's get started. So here are the ingredients for the recipe. You're going to need some onion, eggplant. This is my very first time cooking eggplant, so we'll see. Zucchini, yellow eggplant. You're going to need some tomatoes, canned tomato paste, just a little bit, olive oil, and I have all my other seasonings right here. Frozen bell peppers. You can use fresh ones if you have any. I usually buy mine, cut it and freeze it, and we're going to use this for the sauce, so I'm okay with it being frozen. Fresh parsley and cilantro. I also have some carrots here. You don't have to add carrots. I just like the taste of carrots in it, so I'm gonna add carrots just a little bit. Onion and carrots next. Add the bell peppers and let it cook for about 1.5 minutes or so. Then add your tomato paste. Let's add the tomato paste. While the sauce is getting ready, let's start cutting our vegetables. Let's start by pouring our sauce. I didn't blend all of the sauce because I like to have a little bit of texture into it, and this is just too smooth, so I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna mix it together. I'll take just a little bit of this and add it in there. Okay, you don't need too much of this sauce. You just need enough to cover the bottom of the pan. That's all you're doing. So here you're just going to play around with your colors and choose how you want to layer them. It's up to you, however you want to layer this up. Well, obviously my eggplant is huge, but it's okay. I'm just going to work with it. So here are the colors I have: red, green, yellow, and kind of like dark purple, kind of like pretty dark. So it's up to you how you want to layer this, and you're just going to layer them and place into the pot. So let's start with that. I preheated the oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to place this into the oven and bake it for 45 minutes. And then after that, I will remove the foil paper and I will put it down on broil. I'm going to broil it on low for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to be ready to plate it. I'm going to use this cheesecake baking pan.